Okay, so in this class we are going to be, all right. So in this class we are going to be just taking a live example of the song The Essence of My Life, Loveworld Singers, and we are going to go through the steps on how we are going to get the whole song put together. So let's go. So that's the intro. So for us as beginners, we are going to first find the key in which the song is. So it is in B flat. So the next thing is to identify the chord progression they are playing. So I now know this progression. Back to 1. So I now have my progression, so I'm going to play along. And you can notice I was listening to the bass to get the progression, and now I'm playing along that progression. So basically, if they are repeating the chorus and the verses, it's going to be the same thing, and all we have to do is to play the same thing. They are repeating, so just repeat the same thing. You don't need to do any magic. So I'm going to speed run the song. So don't you want the first and last, the the future of my faith. Now they are going to the next part. I don't know how it goes. So the whole song is actually the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is the same thing. Alright, so I have now the chords. You are the Alright, so you can see how this whole song has just been already worked on. So now that I have finished to get my main progressions for the verse and then the main progression for the chorus and the bridge, now I will now settle on working on the intro and then getting basically the harmonies, what exactly was played, and adding on the spaces, and we'll do that later. But basically, as a beginner, you already have the structure of the song and you can just play it simply like that and it will make sense to your listeners. And so enjoy tuning into songs and then working out on them before you even do the intro. Just get the progression. Now the main thing is going to go, because no one is going to sing on the intro. You can just do anything on the intro for now, but then you have to know what they are singing, and once you understand that, getting the intro will be easier for you, and we will deal with that later. And we have already made progress. So as you can see, it's so easy to get the song going. All you have to know is the progression, listen to it, the song, identify your solo files that are being played, and that is done basically when you are looking at the bass line, what the bass is actually playing. When you listen to what the bass is playing, it will give you an idea of the progression. And then first, you already know which solo file or which note in a scale has major and which ones you play minors on. And then once you identify those and then you start to play along, then later in the class we will do how to get the intros going, and then we'll also do the outros. But for now, that is basically it on getting the chords of the song. Just by listening to the song, you identify the notes that are being played, and of course you start playing out. So first, we learned that you first identify the key in which the song is. Once you get the key, now the next thing you're going to do is to get the notes that are being played for the verse. Then once you have finished that, get the chords that are being played for the chorus, and then you look for the bridge if it has the bridge. And then once you're done with those three, you are good to go as a beginner. So you can now you can even just play the chords of the, like if they told me to play this song and I don't know that intro and I don't know how to play it, I can just play the chorus, and then I'm going to be there. The singer will just start the song within the verse. So that's basically it for you. So don't stress out yourself, figuring out, oh, what this intro and all that. But of course, playing the songs exactly the way they are is a better way. But for now, as a beginner, we'll start from there. So enjoy listening to songs and doing one of your best practices. Let's take a look on another song breakdown for beginners. Yes, so I can't go without thanking you guys for being so good to me, for tuning in, always looking out for the lessons, and just keep on inviting your friends, share with them the content, and ensure that you have already subscribed, because there is more that is coming your way. So make sure that you have subscribed and you have turned on the notification button, and we are going to be having a beautiful time as we learn the keyboard. Yes, see you in the next one. Don't forget to share with your friends. I love you guys.